I carried out a detailed microbiological investigation using bee venom samples. The goal of this experiment was to understand whether bee venom, which is often used for medical, cosmetic, and community purposes, could carry harmful bacteria that may affect both animal and human health. The first step was collecting the sample from bee venom under aseptic conditions to minimize outside contamination. I then proceeded to culture the bacteria on different media in order to grow and observe the organisms present. After incubation, colonies were visible, and I began a series of diagnostic tests to identify them. I performed the gram stain procedure using the four classic steps: crystal violet as a primary stain, iodine as a mordant, alcohol as decolorizer, and a counter stain to complete the process. This allowed me to classify the bacteria into gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria on their cell wall characteristics. To support this result, I also carried out the potassium hydroxide test, in which foam formation indicates gram-negative bacteria. Through this method, I was able to carefully analyze the type of bacteria present in the bee venom. Next, I inoculate the organisms onto blood agar plate to check for hemolysis patterns. After proper incubation, I observed beta hemolysis, which is a complete clearing zone around the bacterial clones. This result is very significant because beta hemolysis is a clear indicator of pathogenic bacteria with the ability to lyse red blood cells. Such bacteria are considered harmful as they are commonly linked with disease in animals and humans. Based on the culture characteristics, gram stain results, potassium hydroxide reaction, and the beta hemolytic pattern, I identified the bacteria as belonging to Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus is well known